It's really windy. Not quite beach weather really, but we're here, we're going in. It's freezing.
I should have bought my shirt vest.
Look at these flies. They are everywhere. Whoa.
Thank you, yeah.
Do you need help?
Oh no, it's okay.
No, it's okay, thanks. Wow, that looks really good actually. Oh man. This is Singapore noodles with pork. That's honey chicken. What's that?
Peas. This is a pea.
Peas. Back from the little beach. Getting lunch.
You gotta video yourself eating.
What's wrong with that?
I just take pictures of my food. I don't make people watch me eat it.
This is interesting footage. So now the task is to buy me some new flip-flops. Because as you can see, there's a hole there, and this hole, actually I've lost it, circle completely fell off. So it's just this. It's not staying there, so let's buy some new flip-flops. What do you think, flip-flops or sandals?
Well, I'm wearing sandals, so...
Yeah, I do like sandals. They definitely last longer, I think.
Wow, you said these lasted 5 years. So
Three or four.
I think flip-flops.
Yeah, but
are
for the
also-
past like 2 years, I've been like this.
Sad moment. The flip flop gets thrown in the bin.
It's sad. Lots of holidays, lots of moments.
That flip flop has been in a lot of country.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're in the back like.
I think it's been to Mallorca. It's been worn in England. Been worn in Sardinia.
In Egypt, Canada, America.
I didn't put them in Hong Kong. I didn't put them on in Hong Kong. But they've been worn in Sydney, Melbourne, and the Great Ocean Road was its last place. Thank you.
We should have buried it in the sand.
Yeah.
Proper buried.
And now I've got to find some.
You're out, proper Australian.
Yeah. One with the earth.
Next cut off.
Yes, please.
So $29.99.
Yeah.
Is it cash or card?
Card.
Yep, no worries. There you go, that's your amount. You can tap or insert.
He really likes.
Oh.
That's so amazing. It's so cool.
Hey, buddy.
But then you wouldn't have everything else.
Oh, I'm like the bird lady.
You are the bird lady.
You're one of those crazy people on the streets.
Put the food on my
I
head.
hope it doesn't go to the toilet on your head. I think today is going well. This will be a late upload as well because yesterday's episode was a late upload.
He wants what's in my bag.
But yeah, the Great Ocean Road. We've done a lot of things that we didn't do last time with the other group. Like right now, we're just relaxing with different birds. I don't know where the parrots are actually. I haven't seen them for a while. Oh. Whoa, where's it going? Okay.
I've got a picture. Ah, wait.
Just put your hand out with that.
Have you got some koalas yet? Have you seen some koalas yet?
No.
There's one on the tree next to the house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a koala.
Okay, it's on my head. I really don't want it to go to the toilet.
Can you take a photo on my phone?
How did you do that?
I don't know. they just fly.
Yeah. If you put it on your head, they will come. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
You wanted it there, so there you go.
Waterfall and a cave. Big cloud up in the sky. Rain might be on its way.
It's got a pro photographer there.
Yeah.
Great Ocean Road.
So far, these flip-flops, big thumbs up. Can't feel the rocks under my feet now. Wow. Oh, I don't want rocks to fall in the thunder. More waterfall. We're heading to the cave now. The rain's picking up. Oh, it's really chucking it down there. Oh! made it to the cave. Woo! This is one of the final stops along the Great Ocean Road. I should have actually filmed the Great Ocean Road sign.
Oh my word!
Film this. Film
Are
this.
you serious
Look at
right
this,
now?
Alex.
They're everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna bash them off.
That's just not right.
Ground streaming medic. The only thing that comes is the post-traumatic stresses. Shields, body armors, and dusters.
Okay, we're both in our own hostel rooms now.
Goodbye to Christine.
Oh yeah, sorry, you didn't say goodbye to Christine. It's bad manners, guys. We're getting a subway, it's midnight in Melbourne. I don't think I'll be in this hostel long, this new hostel, because the Wi-Fi is really expensive and they're fully booked after Thursday. That's the main reason. I didn't get the apartment I looked at the other day, which is a shame. But I've just applied for like another 6. So it's just going to be hostels until I can find an apartment and then work occasionally. Work a lot, hopefully. But anyway, this is what me and Philip always get. Philip, if you're watching, meatball sub. Ivan's trying it. Go on.
I don't like sub.
Quickly, first bite. Thanks for watching, guys.